If you've ever struggled with UVs in Blender, this quick tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. In this video, I'll show you how to UV unwrap instantly in Blender using a super simple workflow that works great for beginners and for anyone who wants fast results. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, select the object you want to unwrap. This could be a cube, a model, or any mesh that you want to apply a texture to later. Once your object is selected, press Tab on your keyboard to switch into Edit mode. Edit mode is where you can work directly with the geometry of your object, and this is where the UV unwrap process begins. Now that you're in Edit mode, press A to select all of the faces on your mesh. This step is important because Blender needs to know which polygons you want to unwrap. If nothing is selected, the unwrap command won't do anything useful, so always make sure your entire mesh is highlighted before moving on. Next, press U on your keyboard. This opens Blender's UV mapping menu. From here, you have a couple of options. If you want the standard unwrap method, choose Unwrap. This is best when you've already marked seams and want a cleaner, more controlled UV layout. But if you want the fastest possible result, choose Smart UV Project. Smart UV Project is great for quick unwrapping because Blender automatically cuts and packs the UVs for you without needing to manually mark seams first. After you choose your unwrap method, Blender will generate the UV layout instantly. To see the result, open the UV editor workspace or switch one of your panels to the UV editor. Here, you'll be able to view all the UV islands laid out across the 2D space. This is where you can check how your model has been unwrapped and whether the texture placement looks good. If you use Smart UV Project, you'll usually notice that Blender has broken the model into several UV islands automatically. That's perfectly normal and very useful when you need a fast workflow. If you use the regular unwrap option, your results may be cleaner, especially if your seams were set up properly. Either way, this process gives you a quick starting point for texturing your model. And that's really all there is to it. Select your object, press Tab into Edit mode, press A to select everything, press U, choose Unwrap or Smart UV Project, and then check the result in the UV editor. In just a few seconds, you can get your model ready for textures, materials, and further shading work. If this Blender tip helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.